Hi guys, it's John. I used to have a stove top pressure cooker. I'm in the market of looking for electric pressure multi cooker, and after I've done some internet research, I decided to buy this Instant Pot Ultra 60 10-in-1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker. This is the latest model of their product line. Then they just launched this one late 2017, and I just received it today. I'm going to show you what is inside the box. It comes with a detachable power cord, and a plastic soup ladle, and a rice spatula, and this is a condensation collector for collecting the condensation from the lid, and a 180 ml measuring cup, which is standard for most rice cooker. And this is a stainless steel steaming rack for you to put inside the inner pot. And I don't know what kind of stainless steel they use to make this rack. I may order a silicone steaming rack on their website later. This is a color user manual to show you how to use the Instant Pot. And they also have a copy you can download from their web page. This is a Instant Pot recipe book. This is the 4th edition. They also have a 5th edition, which is the latest version you can download from their web page. And they have over 40 recipes in this recipe book you can follow. And this is a quick reference guide, so that you can use this one to reference to the different settings instead of going through the user manual. And in the front of the Instant Pot, there's a nice LCD display and a turning knob for you to select a different function of the cooking. And you just push the knob to set the function. And this pot is quite sturdy. It weighs almost 12 pounds. And just turn and then open the lid, and it's quite sturdy. Inside the lid, there's a silicone ring to make sure when you close the pot, it's tightly sealed. And also they have a special cover to protect the steaming valve, so that food particle won't go into the steaming valve. And this is the pressure indicator. When pressure is built up, the indicator will pop up, right? So you cannot open the lid. And once the pressure is released, the indicator will go down, and then you can open the lid. And this is the pressure release button. You just press it all the way, and then to release all the pressure. And I like the new design of this Instant Pot lid, because they put a distance between the steam release button and the steam valve. Before, they used to put this release lever underneath the valve, so when you push the lever, you can easily scald your hand. And there also you can rest the lid on the handle of the Instant Pot. And the inner pot is made of food grade 304 stainless steel, and you can see the Instant Pot logo on the outside, and it's a very solid base. And also in the inside of the inner pot, you can see the marking to show you the maximum fill line. And also the base is a heating element like a rice cooker. And earlier I mentioned about the condensation collector. You just attach it to the back of the Instant Pot. So when you open the lid, all those steam condensation will go through the hole and then gets into the collector. The Instant Pot Ultra 60 has 16 pre-programmed functions. Start with pressure cook, soup and broth, meat and stew. Also a bean and chili function. Steaming function, slow cook, and you can use the saute function before cooking the meat in pressure mode. And also you can keep the food warm after cooking the cycle is done. And this ultra function allows you to set a fixed temperature for the entire period so that you can use it for doing a sous vide cooking. And they also have a yogurt function, a sterilize function to sterilize your jar before putting in a jam, and also a pre-programmed function for steaming egg, and also making cake too. And if you need to cook some multi-grain, and then they also have a multi-grain function. And for Asian, they also set a rice porridge function for Asian to cook a rice porridge. And also they have also a function to cook rice like a rice cooker. So when you turn the knob to the desired cooking mode, you just push it down and select the time by turning the knob and press the button to hold the time. And also you can select high or low pressure. And there's also a delay function which you can delay the cooking. And you can also select the keep warm function after cooking. After you finish all the settings, just press the start button. The Instant Pot will do all the cooking. Now I gotta cancel it because I don't have anything in my Instant Pot. So please do subscribe my channel. I'm going to put up more Instant Pot cooking video. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please do come back to watch my cooking and travel video.